Hi guys, it's Josh from Fix and Post, and today I'm going to be showing you how to batch export clips from a timeline using ExtendScript. Now, if you're like me and you've looked up on YouTube how to batch export clips, you'll see that there's a pretty silly method that is seemingly all we have, which is to go to your keyboard shortcuts, create a keyboard shortcut for Nest, and then, as you'll see in these other videos, click every individual nested clip in your sequence individually to export them or to gather them in a group and then batch export them. But you have to click every single individual clip, and I found that to be really silly considering the fact that if you're like me, you'll probably have dozens, if not hundreds, of clips in your timeline. So the first thing that you need to do for my script is to create an encoder preset. So you can go to Adobe Media Encoder and create one, and then find it in your presets, which is here. I'm using the most recent version of Adobe, all Adobe products, Premiere and Encoder. So you do that, and now you can run my script. You have my variable, which is my preset, which is this, my destination, which is where the video files will be rendered. This for loop is to select every item on the video 1 track. What my script is going to do is it's going to set in and out points on each clip's start and stop time, and then export them using a media encoder. So we create time objects and set the seconds on our time objects to the clips in and out, and then we set our in points and out points using that time object, and then send or render those objects using media encoder. As you can see, it works just about how you'd expect. We can go to Media Encoder and you see that it's rendering it, and let's fast forward a little bit. So yeah, that's my batch exporter. It works, I feel like it works exactly like how you'd expect it to work in Premiere. I don't know why there isn't a batch export function built into Premiere yet. Maybe there is and I just don't know what it is. But yeah, if you guys have any questions how to get this up and running, I have other tutorials. I think they got taken down by YouTube actually, but there are a lot of tutorials explaining how to set up ExtendScript, and I don't feel like doing that again. But yeah, if you guys like this video, leave a like, leave a comment. I'm going to try to make more videos again. I just don't know what to do, honestly. But yeah, this has been Josh from Fix and Post. I love you all.